Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have a haul for you guys. There's pretty much a reason why I picked up some other things. There's these two that it's like around Christmas time because I celebrate Christmas, so holiday time. If you guys don't celebrate Christmas, holiday time. So I really wanted Little Red Sled and then hashtag glam or pound glam. I'm from the pound generation, but hashtag. And then I really wanted to pick up Glitter Me because I saw this, I forget in what Swatch video, it may have been Talia's, and she was comparing the new Light Elegance blue to this one, and I really liked this one more, so I picked up this one instead. So let's go ahead and get into the swatching. This is Tea Time, and the reason I picked this one up is because I really wanted a kind of dark, muted, that might be a little dark, there we go, muted Nudish Pink. Now say that 5 times fast. I've actually already labeled the swatch sticks, so that's why these already have labels. Ooh, this is exactly what I expected it to be. I am so happy with this color. Look at how beautiful this is. Because sometimes I have to say in the winter, even though I love dark colors, although I guess you would have seen, no, you probably wouldn't have seen it by now, that I did a pink set before going to Austin, and that was in October before my anniversary because I wanted a classic kind of color. I would have loved this. All right, let me tell you, no one misses that packaging, that's for sure. So this is Great Chemistry, and I really liked this color because I wanted it to be like a strong pink nude, where the other one is kind of more, I think, like winter nude. Does that make sense? I hope that makes sense. This is an older color, so this has been out for quite some time, and this is absolutely so pretty. Wow. I feel like the camera is not doing this color justice. I don't think anyone misses that packaging either. This is so pretty. There's so much on that lid. I'm gonna just, you know, take it from the lid. So it says it's a color gel, but there looks like there's quite a bit of sparkle in here. And I'm using my color gel, well, maybe not. So there is a nice thin coat. That would be pretty for like a galaxy set. Do a super thin coat and then build it up with like a marble. Yeah, that would be really pretty. All right, this is Gunmetal. Oh yeah, this is so pretty. So pretty. This would be perfect to add if you want something dark and sparkly but not black. You could do a very thin coat of black, I feel like, almost like a see-through black, and then build this up over it, and I think it would be super pretty. Like you could do that, or you could do a thicker black and then just do a very thin coat of this over it, would be really pretty too. Yeah, this is really pretty. It's definitely that dark gray gunmetal, haha. So this is Smoothie, which has some amazing hollow in it. Like, look at that. It's like the best nude hollow glitter, like gold hollow, but like nude. I don't know how to describe it. I mean, it's definitely nude, but it has that hollow glitter that is just amazing. Which again, I love me some nudes, so I figured this would be perfect to pick up, which I know I didn't buy like too many quote unquote holiday colors, but I feel like with the winter collection, I got the gold and rose gold color, and then I got the Sweden one, which I feel like was really Christmassy. So this is Sweet Nothing, and I'm curious to see how it is compared to Bee in Your Bonnet. It almost seems like it's a little bit of like a purplish Bee in Your Bonnet. Yeah, that's pretty similar to Bee in Your Bonnet, but with a more purple undertone, at least from what I'm looking at right here. I could be wrong when I actually get to the swatch, but it does look like a purplish Bee in Your Bonnet. And I'm okay, because that's like must have for me. Like, look at how beautiful that is. All right, salmon is, wow. Wow, 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 wow. Sorry, my squeaky chair, I can hear it. This is like a beautiful rose gold. This is like straight glitter rose gold. Yes, holy moly. This is what I would consider a solid rose gold glitter, which solid and glitter usually don't go together, but it's a pretty covering glitter, and it is beautiful. Look at that. Now this is absolutely beautiful. I feel like I say that with every single color. This might be like the big brother to Goldbug, which is their new buttercream. That is not as yellow, like it's definitely a champagne gold, but this seems like a yellow gold that's champagne. Where, does that make sense? Like a cool gold. I hope that makes sense. And this is the type of gold I like to wear. I don't really like that hot yellow gold. Although I think the Joan Crawford may be a little bit of a hot yellow gold, and that's like my favorite gold, which I will show you in the comparisons, but this is #glam. And last but not least, the most Christmas color ever. And this is literally perfect for the holidays. If you are a Christmas or a general red lover. If you don't celebrate Christmas and you just love red, this should be your red glitter of choice. 100% red glitter of choice. I can't believe it took me so long to get this. Probably because last Christmas I wasn't like fully into it, like the gel nails. But now I am. And I'm getting a lot more colors. Thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.